Welcome to Next Map, where we take you on an unforgettable journey through the most breathtaking destinations in the world. Today, we invite you to experience the magic of Paris, the city of light. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, we will uncover the true essence of this enchanting city. So sit back, relax, and let Paris unfold before your eyes. Our journey begins at the heart of Paris, the Eiffel Tower. Standing at 330 meters tall, this architectural marvel was designed by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 World's Fair. Originally criticized for its unconventional design, today it is one of the most beloved landmarks in the world. From the top, the city unfolds in all its splendor. Whether you visit by day or witness the twinkling lights at night, the Eiffel Tower is an experience unlike any other. And don't forget, every evening, the tower sparkles for 5 minutes every hour, a truly magical sight. Next, we step into the world of art and history at the Louvre Museum, home to over 35,000 masterpieces, including Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa and the graceful Venus de Milo. The Louvre is a treasure trove of human creativity. Originally a medieval fortress, the Louvre has evolved into the world's largest museum. Walking through its grand halls feels like traveling through time, witnessing the triumphs of art from ancient civilizations to the Renaissance and beyond. Standing tall for over 850 years, Notre-Dame Paris is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. With its soaring spires, intricate stained glass windows, and legendary gargoyles, this cathedral has witnessed centuries of history, including coronations, revolutions, and literary fame. Despite the tragic fire of 2019, Notre-Dame remains a symbol of resilience. Restoration efforts continue, ensuring that this magnificent structure will stand for generations to come. We now enter Montmartre, the bohemian heart of Paris. Once home to legendary artists like Picasso and Van Gogh, this vibrant neighborhood still exudes artistic charm. At the summit, the Sacré-Cœur Basilica offers one of the best panoramic views of Paris. Take a moment to soak in the beauty and feel the creative spirit that has long defined this place. A journey through Paris would be incomplete without a cruise along the Seine. This river has been the lifeblood of the city for centuries, lined with landmarks that tell the story of Paris itself. Whether by day or illuminated by night, the Seine offers a perspective of Paris that is both timeless and enchanting. A short trip from Paris lies the Palace of Versailles, a symbol of royal extravagance. Once the home of King Louis XIV, Versailles dazzles with its hall of mirrors, extravagant gardens, and grand architecture. Every inch of Versailles whispers stories of power, art, and revolution. A visit here is a step back into the splendor of French history. Paris is more than a destination. It is an experience, a feeling, a dream brought to life. Whether through its art, architecture, or culture, the magic of Paris leaves an imprint on the soul. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the most beautiful places in the City of Light. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more breathtaking travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.